Hello, today is our premiere of Who Are We Wednesdays. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Carol Imes. Last name is spelled Ijames. A lot of people say I James, and I do answer to that, so it's okay if you do. I was born and raised in Rowan County, Cleveland, North Carolina. It's a small country, close-knit community where I had a very wonderful childhood. I was raised with family values that God, family, and friends were the most important things, and to always be good to people and help people when they were needed help. I graduated from West Rowan in 1990. Go West Rowan Falcons! And from there, I went on to Rowan Cabarrus Community College, where I obtained my associate's degree in early childhood and business administration. My greatest accomplishment in life, I would say, is my four handsome young men. I have Rodney, who is 27, who is a graduate of 2015 from the Lenore Ryan University, where he double majored in chemistry and biology. My 23-year-old's name is Brandon, and he is currently still in school at Forsyth Tech, getting a nursing degree. I have a 14-year-old, Bryson, who is a typical teenager, and my 12-year-old Tyrus is the sweetest little thing you ever want to meet in your life. Because of my love for meeting new people and my love for talking, I chose a career in sales. I love meeting new people. I work for Bob King Automotive. I've been here for 2 years, where I have the best bosses in the whole world. We have Mr. Rob King, who is our owner and CEO. We have Ronnie Quaid, who is our managing partner. Mr. Darren Griffin is our general manager, and Denise Morale is our COO. I also would like to give a shout out to the best sales manager in the world, Mr. Jim Geisinger.
Stop.
One of the things that I enjoy about my job, one of the why I get up every morning and come in here, is seeing the smiles on my customers' faces after they buy a car. That makes getting up at 8:30 in the morning and working until 8 o'clock at night worth every minute of it. I also am the only salesperson at Bob King that is certified in Mazdas, Hondas, and Mitsubishis, so I can sell you any one of those cars. Thanks for letting me give you the chance to get to know me. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comments below, or come see me at 1601 Salish Creek Parkway, Winston-Salem, North Carolina, 27127, or give me a call at 336-724-2861, and I would be happy to talk to you. It would be my pleasure. You guys have a great evening, and I hope you have an awesome week.